Hello, everyone. Tesla LED on the market right now. The Dow went up 146 points. The S&P is going up at 0.32%. Is that clapping 0.35% now? Tesla stock went up 15%. What happened is unbelievable, and it's also a great example of how the CEO can change the game. Now he's doing something that no American CEO can do. That being said, it's not a magic elixir for Tesla. It's not full self-driving. The competition is still fierce, and no one else can pull this off, which is why shareholders love the guy and bid up the stock so much, making fools of last week's downgraders. It's almost as if Musk had power over the regime. Who knows, maybe he does. Will Tesla's move have staying power? A lot of people bet that they could finally break the stock, but they failed. The stock can keep going up until all the shorts are killed. Tesla's price is going through the roof, and Wall Street has never seen anything like it. It's not just another car company, says experienced analyst Cramer. Tesla is a phenomenon that's changing the rules of the game and has added $314 billion to its market value almost overnight, while Ford and even Ferrari are trying to catch up. It's exciting to see Tesla's relentless rise. There is a heated argument between investors and experts as of 2024. Tesla's stock has continued its amazing rise, rising by almost 75% in the last quarter and a staggering 18% in the past year. Cramer of CNN recently talked about how amazed he was by Tesla on Squawk on the Street, calling it a phenomenon and saying he's never seen a stock go up and up for no reason. Just before the Wall Street starting bell, Tesla's shares were already going up, pre-market trading, and by midday, they had broken all previous records and were selling above $1,450 per share, giving Tesla a market value of well over $1.3 trillion. Late in 2023, Tesla's rise really took off, and it continued into 2024 with more record-breaking quarterly earnings and more growth. Sales around the world, our surge investors are very excited about Tesla's new deal which increased its original order of 100,000 Teslas with the goal of replacing a large part of its fleet by the end of 2025. Just because of this relationship, Tesla's stock went up 15% in one day, making it even more valuable. Big analysts like Adam Jonas of Morgan Stanley also gave it positive notes. There is a lot of disagreement about Tesla's future now that it has become Wall Street's best EV play. Now more than ever, the divide is clear. Bulls say Tesla is only beginning to scratch the surface of its huge potential to rule not only electric vehicles, but also AI energy and self-driving cars. Tech bears, on the other hand, say that Tesla is riding an unsustainable wave that is driven by excessive speculation and sky-high valuations that aren't tied to any traditional metrics. People are shocked that Tesla's stock is worth almost as much as General Motors and Ford combined. That's right. Cramer has been a loud Tesla bull for over 2 years and hasn't changed his mind. He calls Tesla's rise revolutionary. Tesla's market value is $84.5 billion, while GM's is $50 billion to $37 billion. People complain every time Tesla takes out an important level. I remember when the company grew bigger than Ford, then bigger than GM, and now it's almost as big as both of them together. I'm also shocked because the stock market loves growth, and this market in particular can't get enough of it. This is a chart of growth, people. Investors will gladly pay a lot of money for Tesla's growth, even if it's only a little. No one wants to pay for stagnation, and with Tesla's huge value, with sky-high hopes and growing competition, is this rise really sustainable? Or are we seeing the start of a historic bubble that's about to burst? Buckle up, because today we're going to dive deep into the Tesla phenomena, looking at the fierce competition, controversies, and game-changing moves that are shaking up the whole EV industry. Let's go! Tesla's rapid rise is due to a powerful mix of innovation, cult-like brand loyalty, and changing the market. There are rumors, and, let's be honest, a good dose of speculation. But can this upward momentum last? Or are we about to get a huge reality check? What's driving this unstoppable surge? When we think about Tesla's fast growth, we have a few ideas. Tesla bulls and people who are always on the lookout for the next big thing in the stock market can't just watch from the sides. Seeking Alpha has everything you need to know about Tesla. Price goals for Tesla stock, Tesla's new ideas, and everything Elon Musk. If you click on one of the affiliate links in the description and then buy something, our channel may get a fee. This has led many to believe that these investors are purposely keeping Tesla's valuation high. The question now is, how long can this game of artificially inflated prices go on before it bursts the speculative bubble and the FOMO effect? Let's be honest. Tesla's rise is partly due to small investors who gave in to fear. Tesla is seen as the next big thing, and millions of people think it will make them rich in the future. This speculation mania has made things like a bubble. Some financial experts say that Tesla's price-to-earnings ratio, which is much higher than that of other cars, is wildly unrealistic. Investors who don't plan to stay with Tesla for the long term see its stock as a ticking time bomb. For now, Tesla's lead is strengthened by the fact that traditional automakers can't compete successfully, but Ford, GM, and others have tried. But they're stuck with infrastructures and business models that don't work well with rapid change. But they're learning quickly. The F-150 Lightning and Chevy Bolt have already made headlines, and Ford just started paying dividends again, which will appeal to long-term investors once Tesla's share of the EV market is taken away. Could go down a lot, putting it in the awkward situation of having to defend its huge value. China and global growth, a shaky future. Plus, when you think about how bad things are for Ford's China business, it's even more impressive that Tesla's business there is growing so quickly. GM just told us that its business in China will be down this year, also 15% less than last year. People are making fun of the fact that Elon Musk danced last night on the stage in Shanghai where he showed off the new cars. You can blame him. It only took him 10 months to build a new factory that can make 150,000 cars. In 18 months, Ford and GM would have a hard time putting together a similar plan because they close plants more often than they open them. Musk says that this new plane can hold up to 250,000 people, but that might take a couple of years. As far as I'm concerned, that guy can dance naked after that. I really don't care. But these kinds of similarities between the old guard and the new ones are pointless. Wall Street will always pay a lot more for companies that need to grow quickly and have great futures. Tesla's biggest growth opportunities lie in going global, especially in China, which has the biggest electric vehicle market in the world. However, regulatory uncertainty in China and rising tensions between the US and China face big risks if China decides to limit Tesla's operations to help local companies. Tesla's growth could be slowed down in a very important market. Musk's friendship with China's government may act as a short-term safety net, but many people are worried that Tesla is on a very tight global rope, which makes them wonder if the company's rise can last. As Cramer hinted, the answer is complicated. Tesla has built an image as a tech company that changes the world, but its future depends on more than Elon Musk's next big idea or a share price spike. It's riding high on a wave of almost religious investor belief. This is because of hype and a market that is ready to ignore fundamentals for the thrill of the next big thing. But here's the truth. The higher Tesla goes, the further it has to fall. Are competitors like Ford and Lucid really ready to take on Tesla, or are they too far behind? If you want to know who else believes in Tesla, it's today's sponsor, Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha is the best place on the internet to get news about Tesla. Click the affiliate link in the text below to get the most up-to-date price targets for Tesla's offerings. New ideas and everything Elon Musk does to compete with Tesla, Ford, and Lucid are fast-paced catch-up games, but it remains to be seen if they can actually dethrone Tesla. Cramer said that Tesla's lead isn't just due to technology, but also to building a strong brand, having a loyal customer base, and having a good start on EV infrastructure that Ford and Lucid are just now trying to catch up to. Ford has thrown down the gauntlet with the F-150 Lightning, building on America's best-selling truck. But Ford also brings the legacy, which comes with decades of legacy infrastructure bureaucracy and a slower corporate culture. Yes, they've launched an EV truck that's getting good reviews, but Ford's transition to electric vehicles isn't as smooth as it may seem. The company has to balance legacy ICE internal combustion engine vehicles with its new EV line, which takes time and resources. Elon Musk, on the other hand, is all in on EVs and doesn't have any legacy issues. Lucid, on the other hand, has gone after Tesla in the high-end market, marketing itself as the best luxury electric vehicle, EV. The Lucid Air is the range, it's sleek is amazing, and it has some very nice touches.